Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I want to teach you how to make this drip effect with just your mobile phone on Pixellab. So without wasting your time, let's get straight into the video. So first, what I'm going to do is that I'll import the picture of the lady, which is right here. Yes, I downloaded this picture from Pinterest. So we can search on Pinterest and see a lot of good stuff to recreate this. So next is the drip effect. I also got this from Pinterest. Right here, I'm going to keep it somewhere here, not too big. Okay, this is fine. Next, I'll bring in a shape, which is this shape. Then I'll put the shape here. I'm going to put the shape behind the drip effect. I'm going to lock this lady for now. So the next thing I'm going to do is I will change the color of the drip itself. I'll change it to white. White is fine. Then I'm also going to change the color of the shape to, let me change it to this color. This yellow color is fine. So next, I'll merge the shape and the drip together. If you're one of my subscribers, you should know this trick already. I use it all the time. Now I'll come to erase color and turn it on. That's it. So all I have to do is I'll click on I will increase the tolerance a bit so that some of these lines will not show. 19 is fine. Click on the check mark. But there's something I don't want on this, so I'm going to click on eraser and erase off this yellow parts that I don't want. So erase them off like this. Okay, it's fine. So I'm going to move this up somewhere here. And I'm going to bring this one somewhere here. Push this up like this. I'm just trying to make it cover this particular image well enough. Oh, let me just increase this lady's image. Yes, this way. Then also this, I'm going to make it bigger. Take this way. Yes. Well, this is fine. I'm just trying to arrange it in a way that it will look natural. So I'll come here, I'll lock these two items. So all I have to do now is just to change the background to this same color. I change the background color to this. See? But I'll need to adjust this a little bit. It's not well aligned. So I'm going to move this somewhere here and do this. See? That's it. So this is it. So but outside this page I won't be able to use this particular lady to do anything, because unless I export it and then remove the background, that's long division. So all I'm going to do is I'll merge these two together. Watch this last trick I want to do. I'll merge these two together. After merging them, I'll just come to erase color. As usual, erase color. But this time I'm selecting this yellow color. I'll erase it. Now increase the tolerance a little bit. 13 is fine. No, no, it's interfering with the hair. So 5 is fine. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for future tutorials like this. Thank you and see you in the next video.